Hello everyone, I am Lisa, the Indian mommy. Welcome back to my channel. Few months back, I posted a video about two of my favorite products from The Ordinary, and one of those is the AHA and BHA peeling solution. This product is a life-changing product. That video, when I posted, I forgot to talk about a lot of important things, and when I look back I realized that, so I decided to make another video especially about this product because this is my absolute favorite. Yes, this one and another one is my niacinamide serum from this same The Ordinary, and these two products are like my life-changing product. These two products have changed my skincare routine completely, and I am very much thankful to this one because I had so much dark spots and such a rough face that this one has softened my face so much and made my face look so much soft and good. Like my skin is looking very healthy right now, and I am so very much thankful for this because this one has a major part to play in that. Let's get started with this one. This is The Ordinary's AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution. This is an exfoliating facial. Its pH level is 3.6. This is 30 ml bottle, and this lasts me somewhere around 5 months because I use it only twice a week. So let's look into the ingredient first. This peeling solution is with 30% of alpha hydroxy acids, glycolic, lactic, tartaric and citric acid, and it has 2% of beta hydroxy acid, that is salicylic acid. It has vitamin B5, black carrot and one pepperberry, Tasmanian pepperberry. It is good that it has vitamin B5 and it has salicylic acid. That means it is good for acne. That is why I was wondering why my acne are not coming up anymore. Yes. So very much thankful to this product. I am actually a person who has a lot of breakouts every single month. I will get acne every single month, and when they leave, they will leave me with dark spots, acne scars, and it is very difficult to get rid of the acne scars, really. So for past 2 months I have not got any acne, and I'm very thankful to that. Maybe this product is really working. Yes. So it looks like a bright red kind of liquid. See, you use it on your face, leave it 10 minutes and wash it off with cool water. It exfoliates your face, obviously, as it mentioned. It removes dead skin cell from your skin, and also it regulates your skin texture. Obviously, we get texture skin because of the dead skin cell on our face, and also it tones up our skin. It gives a even skin tone. I have seen that happening to my face. For visible results, you have to use this product for at least 3 months to see a visible result. I have been using it for a good 7 to 8 months, and for past 2 months I have been seeing my skin absolutely at its best. So I am very much thankful to this product. Now, how to use it? I use it at the night time only. I use 2 to 3 drops on my face, and I sprayed it all over my face, and I leave it on exactly for 10 minutes. I put timer on my phone. I leave it on for 10 minutes and then I wash it off with cold water, not with warm water, with cold water. So yeah, and even if anybody suggests you to just wipe your face up with a tissue or something like that, don't do it. Wash it off. It is not a leave-in product. You have to wash it off. When I use this product, the days I use this product, I do not use any product with any active ingredients. I do not use niacinamide with this, I do not use retinoid with this, I do not use vitamin C with this, I do not use any product with active ingredients with this product. The nights when I use this product on my face, I use a very good moisturizer on my face. You definitely can use any moisturizer that works on your face. Use a good moisturizer. And yeah, and do not forget to use sunscreen the day after. Okay. When I bought this product, I was actually very scared because it mentioned here it is a peeling solution, and I had never used a chemical peel on my face, so I was very scared of it. But when I bought this, it was sitting in my closet for 2-3 months and I didn't even give it a try, but thank God I tried it and I will never go back. So yeah, let's talk about the irritation level because it does irritate your skin. The first time I used it, it severely irritated my skin. Yes, it gave a very strong tingling sensation on my face, and continuously using it for a month or so, the irritation level goes down significantly. I have been using it for what, 6-7 months, and now I get, when I use this product, I get just a tingling sensation for 30 to 40 seconds, and then the tingling sensation goes away and I do not feel like I have used any product. It does not irritate my skin. So yeah, and also the bright red color that it has got, it is from the black carrot and the pepperberry. Yes, and also if you get any severe burning sensation from this, definitely stop using it and go see your skincare specialist or your doctor for any further treatment. But it does irritate initially. Actually, any product with glycolic acid or salicylic acid does irritate, so it has a very high concentration of 30%, so it has to irritate. Yeah, so the shelf life of this is 12 months. Once you open up this product, you have to be done with it in 12 months. Although if you use it 2 times a week, it will last you somewhere around 5 months. Yeah. Now when I have active acne, I do use it. I use it mainly because I have seen that when I have got acne and I use this product, it dries down my acne. I have seen it. But after using it, it is very important to use a good moisturizer, because it definitely dries our skin. So we have to use a good moisturizer with this. This is it about this product, the AHA 30% and BHA 2% peeling solution, all that I know of about. And if you have any more questions for me and that I can answer, definitely comment down below. I will try to answer them. I am not a skincare specialist, obviously, so I cannot answer questions like a skincare specialist, but I will definitely do my research and try to answer your questions. Yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and see you in my next video. That is also a product review for you guys. Have a good day. Bye.